Okay, today we're going to be looking at the furnace up in an attic. So first thing, we're going to identify where the furnace is at. We're going to go ahead and take a stepped back picture. We can see the whole furnace, the tray, condensate line. If it looks like there's a float sensor, verify that it's gas, so that we've got our gas line coming in right here. Make sure it's hard piped in. Also going to look at the flue. This one's insulated, which means it's PVC. We can confirm that up there. They might have issues with this freezing in the winter, so we're going to want to point that out. Next thing we're going to do is make sure, just look at the tray. Is there any rust stains or water stains? It's a new build, so there shouldn't be, but something to keep an eye out for, and identifying that there is a float switch down there. Next, we'll go ahead and take off the cover. Easier with two hands. Gonna grab a picture of the nameplate and mark what year it is. So let's look. Okay, there's a serial number 2022. So we'll go ahead and note that. And then we're going to go up to the general section of our report. It's gas powered, it's got a gas line and a flue. It's not any auxiliary heat sources here. It's single zone because there's just one system. It's a split system because we've got the furnace inside and the AC outside. The thermostat was in the hall. It's got a condensate drain. It's made out of PVC pipe. There's a sensor, so we'll grab a picture of that. And there's a tray. They have a secondary, but it's not really piped to anything. We're not going to mention that they have it since it's just piped to the tray. It's horizontal as opposed to an upflow or downflow. It's a direct drive system, and there's not any other equipment tested. There's not a humidifier, electronic air filter, window unit. Sometimes you'll see a little condensate pump. So now we're just going to button this thing back up and we'll be done. Oh, also forgot, is there any rust? Is there any obvious deficiencies as we're looking inside? Melted wires, rust, water. Does it smell like carbon dioxide or something else? And once we've noted all that, then we'll be ready to go.